Look at Prophet Yusuf alayhi salatu wasalam. When he was in prison, two other prisoners, Allah tells us, that joined him in that jail. And as he was in there, they asked him to interpret dreams. He used that opportunity to spread the message of Tawheed. He used that opportunity, immediately telling them, وَاتَّبَعْتُ مِلَّةَ آبَائِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ, I follow the faith of my father and his father and my great-grandfather Ibrahim. And he told them about Tawheed, the right of Allah to be worshipped alone. And then he asked them, أَأَرْبَابٌ مُتَفَرِّقَةٌ خَيْرٌ أَمِ اللَّهُ الْوَاحِدِ الْقَهَّارِ, is it better to worship many deities that are false gods, or the one worthy of worship? He proceeded to call them to Islam first, then interpret their dreams. You will get opportunities similar to that, where someone asks you, sisters, why do you wear hijab? What is this all about? Especially now what's going on in the world, there is a lot of opportunity to open up conversations. Let's all become callers to Islam. The Prophet ﷺ was sent as a mercy to mankind. Rahmatan lil alameen, all of mankind. But the Prophet ﷺ himself did never leave the peninsula. He never came to Europe. He never went to Africa. So that mercy to mankind, how is it going to be spread? By his followers. And wallahi, the Sahaba and the Tabi'een and those that came after did such a good job.